theft protection devices. It is now being included in a lot of plumbing fittings and valves. Let's take a brief look. I buy a lot of Sioux Chief products, very high quality products. These sleeves, one would think that they may have the theft protection strip in them, but they do not, and neither do their fittings. This PEX a 3/4 female iron pipe thread. It's not in there. Same way with the 3/4 PEX elbow. Now shark bite, but going back to the Sioux Chief, they don't claim to have it in there. So that's kind of interesting on all this. I've looked and nowhere does it even state that it contains it. But with shark bite products, all the packaging has got it printed on it, theft protected. This piece has not been opened. It's just a 1/2 inch elbow, but it does not have the strip in it. In the same way with the 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch coupler, no strip in it. Always check it. Shark Bite Max. This one surprised me. Theft protected. I've looked. It is not in there. I'm not going to open it. They're all like 10 to 12 bucks a piece now. Now, this one's 3/4 by 3/4, 45-degree elbow. It's laying right inside of it. Not a big deal, but it would be so easy to put this on and forget to remove that strip. A 1/2 inch has it, but it's not inside. You can clearly see it here on the outside. This one here got me caught when I bought it and went to carry it out. I did the self-checkout where you shoot the barcode with the little scanner, and got my receipt and walked out, and the alarm went off. So she had to come over there and had to show her the receipt. She went ahead and wiped it on the demagnetizer plate. Before installing your shark bite fitting or any plumbing fitting, I'm not picking on shark bite, but they do have them in here, and believe me, they need to have the theft protection devices in here. But before installing your fitting, any plumbing fitting, if it's in a bag like this, go ahead and check it to make sure the anti-theft strip is not in the fitting, valve, or connector, whichever is the case. This simple check is so easy to overlook, and the consequences could be severe, or at the least cause you a lot of extra work. But depending on the location or the position of your connector, valve, your plumbing fitting, it could be a simple straight through repair to a faucet or a hose bib, may be easy to get it out, or it could easily go to the dishwasher or the clothes washer with electronic operated valving. Now you've got problems. So it's an easy check, but it's also easy to overlook. Thanks for watching, and work safe out there.